How to account login in the Tumblr. If you have recently logged out from your account into this app and now you want to log in back and don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Tumblr application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to account login, from here, right here, which you can use the Google, Apple or your email. Now to log in, simply choose the ID that you have simply created an account from, and you can simply tap onto one of that account and simply log in. Now previously I have simply created an account on the Tumblr app using my Apple ID, so I will simply log in with my Apple once again. Now tap onto your ID just like this and tap on to sign in. Now you can see it is now signing in, and now you can see I have simply logged in back. Now you can see my previous account right here, and that's it. This is how you can account login into the Tumblr application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.